Welcome back to Chef Super Chido. As you can tell by the title, Chilaquile nachos. Oh yeah, it's a good breakfast. It's not that hard to make. It's just a basic chilaquile recipe that I have. I have plenty of them. This one's just super easy, but I've never had chilaquile nachos. I thought, hey, there's all kinds of nachos people make and play with. Why not make some with chilaquiles? So watch and learn, and don't get burned. Now, we're gonna need 1.5 pounds of Roma tomatoes, 3 jalapenos, 4 chile guajillos, 4 garlic peels, 2 shallots, 6 eggs, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of sea salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now we're gonna fill up our pot with water with all our vegetables. Hopefully you cleaned out the guajillos very good. Put it on the burner and wait for it to boil. After it starts boiling, we're gonna boil it for about 10 minutes. Now we're going to put a little bit of olive oil and dump in our sauce. We're going to let this saute for about 12 minutes, with occasionally stirring it about every 2 to 3 minutes. Now that our sauce is done, we're going to get a pan, put a little bit of olive oil, and put in about 1 pound of flank steak, or rachera. We're going to stir in the meat with the oil, let it all absorb that, and then we're going to put some Santa Maria seasoning from Kinder's. Again, stir it all in there. Now we're going to prepare our eggs and whisk them really good. We're going to lay down a thin bed of chips, and then we're going to put our sauce in and mix it in. You want to make sure that the chips absorb all the sauce that we're putting on there. After that's done, we're going to put in our meat. We're going to add just a little bit of meat on top because we still have to add cheese and another layer of chips. And for our last step, we're going to put in the eggs and make sure the oven is at 400 degrees and let it be in there for about maybe 20 to 25 minutes. Just keep checking up on it. Now that that's done, I'm going to put a little bit of beans, then some avocado, and a little bit of sour cream, and some of that sauce that's left over. Now enjoy. And we're back. Now, before I start tasting this and go on a rant of how good it is and you should make it, honestly, a lot of the food I make is pretty good. But again, everybody has different tastes, different taste buds, and different preferences. I can tell you right now, it's gonna be good. So might as well just save me the trouble, and I'm just gonna eat this and, well, let's dig in. I mean, a napkin. You'll fit it everywhere. Oh yeah. So, it's something different, definitely. It's not nasty, but it is different. Saves you the trouble of putting everything on top, and I want to try to see how it was with just mixing everything in. And again, it's different, it's a different taste, but it is good. So you watch and learn, and you didn't get burned.